Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you my thoughts on this oversized 13-inch wide bike seat replacement. Now this can fit a range of different bikes, whether it's indoors or outdoors, including the Peloton, which is where I'm going to be getting it installed today. And I'm going to walk you through that whole process and just tell you my thoughts on how it feels. I am somewhat newly pregnant, so I'm definitely excited to have this because the original seat on the Peloton is no joke. It's definitely very slim and not very padded. So I believe I am going to love this, and I'm going to tell you everything you need to know. So obviously this is nice and wide. It has a really great ergonomic design to it, so everything about it should be really comfortable. You have the vent here in the middle to help keep you nice and cool, and the rest of the seat is all a padded memory foam, so it's definitely going to give some great cushion and comfort, especially for long rides or outdoor rides on bumpier surfaces. Now this does also have shock absorbers on the bottom, so if you are using this in an outdoor setting, there's also going to be a level of comfort added there. And then right down here is how the base looks. It can fit a few different mounting styles, whether it's a clamp ring seat post or a dual rail seat post. And regardless of the way that you need to mount this, they've probably got instructions here for you. So you could see for road bikes, double rail seat post, they walk you through that process on here. And then for the clamp seats, and then for the indoor stationary bikes. So this is what I'm going to be following today. And let's jump right into it. I'll walk you through it. First things first, I need to remove the existing seat. Now we're just gonna make sure that the bolts on the new seat are loose. So you can see they've got a wiggle there. And then we're gonna make sure the adapter here is up in a horizontal position, so about 90 degrees from where it originally was. And now we can slide this onto the little Peloton post here. I had to kind of wiggle mine back and forth a little bit to get it to go on. Now you can adjust the angle and we will tighten everything down. And just like that, it's on. It feels very sturdy and secure. The instruction guide is incredibly convenient and easy to follow, and I love how comprehensive it is, so you'll be sure to know how to get it installed. All right, so I'm gonna do a ride and see what I think, and then I will share all of those details with you guys. If I'm a little bit breathy, it's because I just finished that ride, and although it was short, it was challenging for me. So the seat is very different from the classic Peloton seat. It took a little while for me to get used to it, honestly, because I'm so accustomed to the small, narrow seat. But all in all, I love the full coverage that this gives. It really gives full hip support and it is quite comfortable. Now for me, the issue that I ran into was on the downstroke when my leg was coming up closest to the seat itself. I was realizing that my legs were kind of hitting the seat and I didn't find that quite as comfortable because I'm so used to that narrow seat not really getting in my way at all. But with some adjusting, I really do enjoy it, and I can only imagine that as pregnancy continues, as I start to gain weight, I'm probably going to enjoy that extra space and comfort that much more. So if you guys were looking for a wider, more comfortable replacement, whether for your Peloton or stationary bike or your outdoor bike, I think this is a really great choice, so I would certainly give it a try.